What's up, everyone? Today is Thursday, November 2nd. We are about to leave for Pryor, Oklahoma, and we will be playing 4 shows over the weekend. We got nothing done packing-wise, so we are rushing around this morning to try to get everything done. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
How much is it?
Are you gonna follow me or not? Well, yeah. Well, Jack, you want me to find out?
Get the knife on him! Get
All right, it's about 10:15 and our target time to leave is 10:30. So we're gonna cut it kind of close. Ooh!
Say bye.
Alright, it is 11:36 and we are heading out. 6 minutes late is not bad for what we normally do. So, here we go. Jackson, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I just love the lighting in the car.
All right, we are about to head to Pryor, Oklahoma. We're about to drive 2 hours. So yeah.
Explain what we are doing.
We are just sitting in the car.
We're headed to Pryor, guys.
You already
There you go.
said that.
Oh.
This guy's a crazy driver.
What are you up to, baby Jackson?
We are about 47 minutes away. It's been a long journey.
It really has.
It's been like an hour. We have arrived, and we didn't get lost, which is great. Well, we have arrived. We have a little bit of time, and then we're gonna go set up for our concert tonight. We're having a little bit of difficulty with getting the RV set up, but we're gonna eat now, so that will be good.
So, today what we're going to do is take a nap.
Ooh, we are about to go set up for our concert tonight.
Cheap.
Cheep.
Little.
Well, we have arrived and we are about to go in and start playing. I don't know if you can hear me, it's kind of loud. Finished our concert, it went pretty good. Praise the Lord for that. It is freezing out here. Everything else went really well, it was really fun. Now we're going home to eat, because I'm not going home, going back to the RV to eat. Guess I'll update you later tomorrow.
Ooh, that does look bad.
Ooh.
He's so sad.
Ooh.
Alright, it is Friday, November 3rd. We ate breakfast and we are headed out to a hiking trail that's close by. Well, we are hiking through the trail right now. It's actually a pretty good weather. I kind of don't really have anything else to say right now. It's so pretty out here. So we came all this way for a waterfall, and this is what we got. Whee!
Coconuts.
And a random swing. Oh,
Oh, there's a coconut by that one.
Just ate a snack and played at the waterfall for a little bit. Now we are headed back to go rest and practice music for our 2 shows tomorrow.
We go back from our hiking trip, kind of hanging around until we get our food.
Alright, so this afternoon, my mom put chili on the stove. We're gonna have our friends over. You done? Yep. Okay.
You want to see? Yes. What'd you guys do this afternoon?
I was pouting. So. Yeah. Megan wasn't here, so she makes people happy, but she wasn't here. So and so we were in the corner and pouted and she put toilet paper through her nose, and so she took it out and was bleeding. So we don't know if it's dry bleed. So
It's Pepper.
And we had some really yummy chili.
yeah, we played lots of games. He just took an eye hat off of his jaw and he just like put it on as an eye hat. So joke is, what kind of drummer has a hat? What?
Dude, cherries and people have come. Both have pits.
In this
Make a good
vlog. Vlog?
It is November 4th. We are about to head out to go to our concerts that we have today. It's a fall festival, and we'll be playing 2 sets today. So.
Well, right now in the RV, we just tried to go somewhere and go play music and 2 shows.
What's up with your hair, Jackson?
Holy cow. I used dish soap on it to get all the grease out. Just made it really good.
We kind of played a little musical Cars, which we are musicians after all.
Buddy. Oh. Why, Jackson? Hey, Jackson. Are you happy? Don't come here. Don't come here. We're in the process of setting up right now. I can barely walk because both my hips are hurting really bad. I have no clue what happened. It's kind of sad. Anyways, other than that, I'm doing great. Trying to help set up as best I can. This man is just sitting here. Alright. Well, we finished all our concerts and we're on our way home. Brandon is Cookie Monster over here, spilling it everywhere. I hope we make it home safely. It was really fun. I still love the lighting.
Brandon, what if I told you your name? What did you do?
Just sing it.
He just comes over.
I think you guys are quiet.
Okay. Go ahead.
All right.
How did you miss that?
Can I have a credit card?
Made it home safely. Now we are trying to unpack a little bit and find something to eat. It was quite the drive. Jackson screamed a lot of the time, but glad we went and we had a good time. So thanks for watching and we'll see y'all later.